Profit, loss and discount. Steady profit or loss means same profit or loss will be continue for the number of years, for particular number of years. So we can use this formula. Selling price is equals to 100 plus or minus a by 100 to the power n into cost price. Is the n is the number of years and a is the profit or loss percentage. Let me see this question. Let me show this here. The price of a laptop decreases by 20% every year. Every year it is decreasing 20%. If the laptop was bought for 45,000, what price will it be sold after 2 years? After 2 years, so number of n is equals to 2. Okay, so selling price is equals to, because of loss, right? So a is equals to minus 20%, but because of a loss, we can keep the minus symbol. So 100 minus 20 by 100 as per the formula. Here is a steady profit or loss, means same 20% every year. So after 2 years, so to the power 2 into cost price is 45,000. Just if we simplify, we'll get the selling price. After 2 years, at what price it should be sold. Okay, just you can apply. That is 100 minus 20. 80 by 100 whole square into 45,000. Yes, you can simplify this now. 80, 0 cancel. Again 2 table. 2 4s 2 5. 4 by 5 whole square. So 4 by 5, 16 by 25, or else write 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 2 times, 45,000. You can use the table to cancel this, right? 5 table, 5 9s are 45, again 0. Again with 5 table, once directly can cancel, 5 1s are 5, 8 and 100. So 1800 into 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 18 is 288. So rupees 28800. So 28,800 is the selling price after 2 years, because it is decreasing of 20% every year. So increasing means just you can keep the plus c, stuff minus, just keep the plus symbol. If it's a 3 years, in the place of n, 3 will keep. Okay, so this is the formula. Even if you know the cost price, if you want to find out the selling price is given, also apply the same formula and just interchange in the calculations.